Hey guys, welcome to today's video, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you or going through my fall FabFitFun box. I have not opened this and it's been waiting for me for about, say, 3 or 4 weeks, and I had to be patient and wait to open this box because I wanted to get it on camera. Now, if this isn't already obvious, I am not sponsored or affiliated with FabFitFun. Of course, I'm brand new to YouTube. This is just me going through and showing you what I got in my fall box. I just think it's a really great deal. It's a great savings, and I am really excited to open this, so let's go ahead and do that. Now, I paid $180 for this for an annual subscription. You save about $20 than if you are going to go and buy each month separately. You can choose to skip a month if you do it that way. That's completely up to you, but I thought it was worthwhile to see what I got for the annual price, so I did go ahead and pay, and it was $180. So outside of my box, I can already see I chose to do add-ons. So aside from the value that you get in this box, I found my last box I think was almost worth $300. So besides the value that you get in your single box, they also have an add-on shop, and I did add a few items. So if you see me set some items aside, those are items I chose to have sent to me as an add-on. I just thought they were a great deal. I will go over them and then the price I paid for them and how much I saved them at the end. So these guys will all get put to the side. I like that they put them outside of my box. That way it was clear. I was kind of worried about that when I got them in, but I got some really great deals from Glam Glow. So those are all going to go to the side. Ooh. Ugh. So there's my fall box. So as I mentioned, I paid $180 for my annual subscription, and I did receive my summer box a few months ago, and I felt like that annual subscription already paid for itself. So I'm looking forward to seeing what's in this box as well. And aside from even those add-ons that they had, they also have an offers page. So any brand, or most of the brands that are going to be included in this box, also have separate savings and promotional codes that you can use on their website. And I do have an idea of some of the items in here. So basically, you get to go in and choose between 2 options for a few of the items in here, and then the rest of them are going to be a surprise. So I did choose some of these items, and when you do the annual subscription, you get to choose, I think, a day earlier than everybody else. So each box comes with a catalog on the front, and that'll just tell you how to use some of the items in there. Gives you a little bit more of an in-depth idea or understanding of your items in your box, so I'll look through that later. And it looks like I maybe got a couple offers. This one's for Luna Bar, which I really love Luna Bars. There's like a $3 off code for that. And then I also got a little savings to share with others. I do want to mention, again, I am not affiliated or sponsored by FabFitFun at all, but I do have a code below that anyone who signs up for a box will receive. So that code I'm going to link below. I think it's $10 off. If you're interested, feel free to use it. I will link it below for you. It's like Christmas. Okay, so first thing that's grabbing my attention that I didn't know I was going to get in here is a Luna Bar. I love these, and this is in the salted caramel nut. It's Luna Rica, which I don't know what that means, if that's like a different kind of Luna Bar. It says it has cashew butter in it, so I'm looking forward to tasting that. That's a little treat for me. So this is one of the items I chose. It was an umbrella. I actually hate carrying an umbrella, and that's why I don't have a good one. So I chose to get this one. I'm not going to open it in the house, so that is bad luck, but it's got a nice little print on it. And it looks like it's from the brand Catherine Melandrino. Another great thing about FabFitFun too is that these items are a wide array of products. So if there's something I didn't really like, I could always pass it on to a friend. You could even regift it if you wanted to, if you know what I'm saying. I mean, you did already pay for that item. So this one that I'm really excited for, I am a coffee nut. This is a French press coffee maker. I don't own a French press or really know how to work one, so I'm excited to use that one. I'm gonna open it so I can see the print on here. And I think for this one, you could choose between a coffee press or a teapot. I already own a teapot, so I went with the coffee press. Okay, cute. It says, but first coffee. That's like my life motto there. And yeah, this will look pretty on my countertop. I do have a little coffee bar set up in my kitchen, so I'm excited to put this there and give it a try and use it. I'll let you guys know how that works. Next item that's catching my eye is from Pharmacy, and this is the Do It All Total Eye Cream. If you guys have been watching my videos, you know how much I love that Pharmacy Green Clean Cleansing Balm to remove my makeup. I am loving this brand right now, and this is a full size of their eye cream. Look how pretty this packaging is. I'm excited to have that on my counter. It has that cool wooden top there. I'm sure you guys will be seeing this in a follow-up video. It says it's a powerfully moisturizing eye cream to help minimize signs of aging, stress, and fatigue. Who doesn't want that? It's a morning and night cream. And this also has echinacea in it, which it seems to be is like their blend that they put in. Their Green Envy is what they call it. Next item that's catching my eye, I didn't know I was gonna receive this due to Instagram. I hate when you get those spoilers on there, but it's a beauty blender. Who doesn't love these? You can't really get enough of them. So I got mine in the pink color. I think they came in a variety of colors, but I got the pink, which is the traditional. I will definitely be using this, and I think it was time to replace my old one anyway. Okay, so the next item I received is 2 of them. I actually didn't know I was gonna get 2. I saw this on Insta as well. These are 2 of the Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Masks. They're the Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Sheet Mask. I have purchased this in the past, I want to say maybe December or January, and I enjoyed it. There's 2 of them in here. I'm looking forward to using them as well. Just such a great value. I do love Glam Glow. I love this brand. These are a little bit quicker, so you only use these for 3 minutes, it says, and then when you go over it, it will foam up, and it just really clears out everything in the skin, so I'm looking forward to using these. And next up, I don't think I know this brand. It's from Grown Alchemist, and this is the Hydra Repair Day Cream, so it's for the face day cream. And it's camellia and geranium blossom in it. See what it smells like. Okay, I like that it's in a tube. Look at this packaging. Very sleek. So I like products that don't come in tubs or in a jar. On my hand there. And it feels like a lotion. It's like a lightweight cream. It smells really good. It's kind of floral, but we like that here. So I look forward to using this. I think this would be great for travel too. It seems like it's pretty secure. Down to a couple more items. Got these. What are these? These are, they look like hand towels. So this is a hand towel. Yep, 2 hand towels. Nice, feel like nice fabric. Simply Whimsical is the brand. It says Homemade Pretty, and it's 2 little tea towels. Very cute. So this is what I was really excited for. These are a set of crown brushes, and you got to choose between this or a bag. I went with the makeup brushes, of course. I haven't tried any Crown brushes. From what I do understand, though, Crown makes a lot of other brands' brushes and then they just put their name on it. So I may have tried a Crown brush and not known it. They come in this little nice case here. And it's a whole set of brushes. So we have, it looks like it's like a face, large, fluffier brush, one for more like detailed angling, and then a couple eye brushes. You have a small angled brush, looks like a crease brush, and then a couple flat brushes as well. So I look forward to trying those. These are, I did look it up ahead of time, they are synthetic. But I love the case this comes in. This is great for traveling, like I said. I always look for new items to travel with, and not that I travel that often, but when I do, it's nice to have those go-to. So cute, I'm happy with this. Oh, it looks like we're down to the last item. This is from Skin & Co. and it's a shower gel and it's called Blue and Capri. It says with notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. That sounds perfect. Okay, I really like that aroma. It's really light, but I definitely get those floral notes in there. Looking forward to using that. I will update you guys on this as well. So I'm super happy with that box. I feel like it was, again, worth the value. So I'm gonna go in with my add-on items. So they send me an email and you get to choose your add-ons beforehand. You get billed the same day that it ships, I believe. So I have 5 different items I added on. If you guys see me looking down a lot, it's because I wrote down the value of these items versus what I paid for them, just so I could get a better sense of my savings, and I wrote down exactly what I saved. So I think you guys will be pretty surprised The first item I chose to add on was from Briogeo. This is not the full size. I think the full size comes in a tub. But this is 5 ounces of the product, and this is the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I referenced this not too long ago when I was talking about how, I don't know how Briogeo does it. When you rinse out their mask, it feels slippery and your hair just feels so soft, like you have silicones in your hair, but they don't use any sulfates, no silicones, and no parabens in their products, so I don't know how they do it. I'm just glad they do. But I was really excited to see this offered in my add-ons, and I definitely scooped it up. So I paid $14 versus $30, which is what this would be worth. So it was a $16 savings. Next item I chose to add on was the black eye mask with hyaluronic acid. There's 5 masks. These are like the ones you put underneath your eye and you peel off. These were just a total like, okay, let me just add them to my cart. They seemed kind of cool. I've been looking for an eye mask to use regularly. So these are regularly worth $29 and I paid $11 for them. Looking forward to trying those out. The third item I got was from Deborah Lippman, and this is the Hard Rock Base and Top Coat for Nail Strengthening. I just needed a new top coat for my nails. It's clear. This would usually you would pay $20 for, and I paid $5 for it. And these next 2 items, I was like, oh, they're gonna go quick. I better add them to my cart. They're both from Glam Glow. So these are full sizes. I got the glitter mask, and then I also got the Glam Glow Super Mud mask. I said that the other day that I was waiting for this one. These are both worth $59 and I paid $19 for each of them. Crazy. So all together, that means that my add-ons were $68. Usually all 5 of those items, if you were to buy them at regular retail costs, would have been $197. So that means I saved $129. So there is my fall FabFitFun box. This was a lot of fun opening. I really enjoyed this box. I just think it was a great value, especially with my add-ons, those savings there. Like, I already wanted to buy the Super Mud and the glitter mask, and being able to save that much money on them was really, really awesome. I'm really enjoying having my FabFitFun subscription so far, and I'm really looking forward to seeing what comes in like my winter or holiday box, so I guess we'll see. If you guys have any questions, just let me know below. If you guys get FabFitFun, let me know what you thought of your own box below. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video if you enjoyed watching me open my FabFitFun box. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you soon.